just do a really quick, simple get ready with me. This makeup is makeup I've been wearing quite recently, and on Instagram you guys are loving it, so I thought I would just combine it with a get ready with me with hair and my outfit at the end. I will leave all the products linked down below, but just sit back, enjoy, listen to some music and watch me get ready. Get ready with me, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoy.
Pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back. It doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we lack. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. Yeah. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. Tomorrow feels a year away, like the seconds, the beginning and the end. But if in time it's yesterday, your picture's gonna bring it home to me again. The world is waiting up, the world is waiting half a step beyond our door. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. But I don't know why you hit the road, but you don't realize I won't look back when you're around. I won't think twice when you're gone. Don't hesitate to call me back, 'cause I won't be there. I won't look back when you're around. I won't think twice when you're gone. Don't hesitate to call me back, 'cause I won't be there. I won't look back.
Just a quick disclaimer about my hair. I had a saltwater float bath the day before my hair got wet, and I just had absolutely no time to wash or dry it. Don't worry now, it is currently in a hair mask, so I am literally just going to be putting this in a low bun, as you can see. And just to clarify with my outfit as well, I had no time to film it, so I just inserted the photos. But like I said, I will leave everything, where everything's from, and link down below for you as well. But I hope you guys enjoyed this super quick, super easy, get ready with me. And until next time, I will see you guys very, very soon.